everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, yay, look what I finally got. This here is the Boxycharm by Ipsy, which is a $30 a month beauty subscription. There is a $1.99 handling fee, which technically makes this a $32 a month box. You get 5 full-size products. 2 are selected from Ipsy and the other 3 you get to choose. Alright, let's dive in, because even though I get to choose 3 of the products, yeah, selections are made on the 1st of the month, and I already forget what I selected. The only thing I do remember is I wasn't as disappointed with my choices this month. There were more makeup products for me to choose from. Alright, the theme this month is Passport to Glow. I don't recall seeing one of these magazines or pamphlets in a really long time, although it's possible I get them and just don't pay attention. Alright, first item, what do we have here? So this is from GOLDFADEN MD, and it's the Solution Wake Up Call, which is an overnight regenerative facial treatment. Alright, so I have received skincare from GOLDFADEN MD before. Do I remember what those products were, how they performed? No, but I want to say this is a decent brand. Alright, so the GOLDFADEN MD product is 2 ounces, which is 60 ml, and retails for, shut up, no, $105? Wow, I knew GOLDFADEN MD was a nicer brand, but not over $100 type of a brand. Wow, okay, well thank you Ipsy. Ipsy actually put that in my box. All right, the next product, we have a palette. Thank you for actually putting some bubble wrap on here. What a beautiful soft yellow color. All right, so this is from Laura Geller, and this is the Wildflower Wishes 14 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows Palette. All right, so it's taped on both sides. Let's take her out and see if this is going to be a beautiful color story for me personally, because we all know I'm not into super bright colors. And yes, all right, it comes with a mirror, and those are beautiful. Okay, so they are some warm neutrals, some like nice tangerine, peachy, orange shades, along with some nice neutrals. I am really excited because it's been a while since I've gotten an eyeshadow palette from Ipsy, and yay, it's a color story I will use and enjoy. So the eyeshadow palette was also put into my box by Ipsy and retails for $31. Alright, let's see what I selected. What do we have here? This is from a brand called Chica Beauty, and this is the Chica Glow Highlighter Duo. Ooh, does that mean 2 different shades of highlighter, or a highlighter with some other type of a product? Let's take a look here. All right, so it is a cream stick. That's a little more golden than I normally would like. What is, oh, wait, twist. Ah, okay. So it's a liquid highlighter on one end and the cream highlighter on the other. Let me do some swatches. All right, so here is the cream and here is the stick. Honestly, they look very similar in shade, which I guess if you select one shade that you're purchasing from the store, you want them to be the same. But I don't know, in my head I was thinking, oh, the cream will be slightly different than the liquid, but all right, even though they look a little kind of golden in the container, I have a feeling on my cheeks, once I have like blush and bronzer and all that good stuff, it probably will look really good. You unfortunately have got me midweek, and I work from home today, so yay, you're lucky to get lip product and mascara. Let me share with you what my choices were while I look up to see what this retails for. Okay, that is a very reasonable price. So the Chica Beauty Duo Highlighter Stick retails for $20. All right, what else did I select? Ooh, something in bubble wrap, which usually means it's going to be makeup. And even if it's not, thank you, Ipsy, again, for putting bubble wrap to protect the product. All right, so this is the bronzer from a brand called Un Momento. No, just kidding. I need my little friend here because, good Lord, where is the name? Oh, is it just the letters? Okay, so there's some big letters, which I thought was just a logo. I think it's the brand JX. I'm going to need to take a peek at the lovely app and try to figure out what that brand's all about. Okay, so the brand is called Just XIMENA Cosmetics. That's the JX. And would you take a look at this? It's one of those products that just does like a gradient. Although on camera with my bright lights, it looks like one solid color. But trust me, that is a gradient. It's very subtle. So here's the dark end, here's the light end. And this retails for $25. For those who like seeing what my choices were, I will list them up above and grab the next product, which, oh my goodness. Wow, how often does this happen without a takeover box? So this here is another product from Laura Geller. Yeah, you would think I would remember because, you know, I did make the choices, but I could not remember anything. All I remembered is possibly I had more makeup this month than last month. All right, so this here is the Made to Multitask Eye Lip Cheek Palette. All right, so here is what the outer packaging looks like. It's just a typical plastic black type of a compact. All right, so we have 2 cream products and a powder. So they said lip and cheek. Nah, I'm just not one to reach for a palette, grab a brush to apply a lip product. Now, give me a tube or a squeezy thing or something with a doe foot. But these look beautiful for blush products. And if I'm not happy with those other 2 highlighters, I have yet another one. All right, so here is the highlighter. Here is the darker pink. And here is that, I don't know, kind of neutral, softer pink blush shade. I'm super happy I got makeup this month. I'm going to list what my choices were and look up what Miss Geller retails that little cheek palette for. Wow, that is very interesting. I've never seen Ipsy do that before. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. They actually put like the price that you could purchase it in the shop of $12. So the largest font was $12. And I'm like, really? A $12 product in the full-size box? And then I saw in teeny tiny writing $32.99. Huh. Very interesting, Ipsy. Let me know if you've ever seen them do that before. So I guess technically we have to say it's a $32 product. Although in my head, I'm going to now think of it as a $12 product. All right, let me recap everything I got in the July 2024 Boxycharm by Ipsy. So I got an overnight regenerative facial treatment from GOLDFADEN MD, a bronzer from Just XIMENA Cosmetics, an eye, lip, and cheek palette from Laura Geller, a highlighter duo from Chica Beauty, and the Wildflower Wishes palette from Laura Geller. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, yay, Ipsy! Thank you for actually giving me some makeup. I don't need this much makeup, which is really nice. 4 of my 5 products were makeup, whereas last month, 4 out of the 5 were skincare. I like actually getting a mix, maybe 2 skincare, 3 makeup. So because this was mostly makeup, I'm actually really happy. And I actually have enough makeup to put together my subscription box Get Ready With Me. So that makes me happy. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of my box. I'm fairly certain, particularly since one product alone was over $100, that my box value is going to be at least $150, if not more. All right, now I want to hear from you. What did you think of my box? Have you received your box yet? And if so, did you like your box this month? I'm always really curious, so please leave me a comment and let me know what you got in your box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.